welcome to Bitesize Piano. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to play that funky piano riff that you heard in the preview. I realise I've not done much funk based stuff on my channel. I've done the odd Stevie Wonder tutorial and like Funky Town. So I thought I would just give you a bit of a funky riff to play around with today, something a little bit different. So I use a piano sound to teach it. Obviously if you've got like some sort of electric piano sound or clavinova sound, you could have fun and experiment with different sounds on your keyboard or digital piano. So on the screen the left hand is blue and the right hand is orange. We're going to look at the bass liney bit first. So it starts off with like 3 pickup notes. So this is the first low D, it's like the first downbeat. So you go 1, 2, 3 and 4 and 1. So we've got A, C, D, and then down an octave to D. So from the beginning we have 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. So we'll start off with just that bit to begin with. Then the right hand, we're going to be playing just this one chord. So it's a D minor 7 played in this shape. So we've got A, C, D and F. So that's all you're going to play in the right hand. So if I put both hands together and talk you through how I fit it together. So after we've done the left hand, the right hand comes in and goes and then plays a third one before the left hand comes in with this bit again. And then you repeat them both together when your left hand plays the D, and then it repeats. So from the beginning, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3. So that's the first bit. If I speed it up. And then we've got this that I call a parallel chromatic shift. So we're keeping this chord the same, and then we're moving it down by a semitone in the left hand. So this is a C sharp minor 7. So C sharp in the left hand. So we've got G sharp, B, C sharp, E. And then we're moving it down a semitone again, so we have a C minor 7, so C in the left hand, and then G, B flat, C, E flat, so whichever fingers you prefer. On my left hand, I'm going D, D, C sharp, C. So together we have it's quite quick. So if I join that in from the beginning then, and then we'll look at this next section, the same as the first section but just sort of playing the same rhythm but on a different chord. So I carried on and showed you the next bit. So the left hand, so after we've done the, and then we've got the C, C, and then G, B flat, C, low C, 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 G, B flat, C, low C, 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 G, B flat, C. If I do that left hand again from the that's the left hand done for the riff. And the right hand, we're just going to carry on playing this chord that we landed on, so the C minor 7. So after we've gone obviously I know in this part we weren't repeating the D in the left hand. You can do that if you want to, like in rhythm with the right hand, but you don't have to. Or you can miss it out in the C one as well, so you could go we've got this little, like a little solo-y right hand bit at the end. So that goes A flat, G, F, and then a quick D, C, A flat, A, D. So again, the notes on the screen. So we've got like a little triplet in there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you start again. If you like the sheet music for this riff, I've left where you can access that down below if you'd rather see it all written out. So if I play it slowly from the beginning, join all of it together. If I switch back to just my classic electric piano type sound. So I hope you have fun playing around with this riff. Let me know if you want any more funk-based tutorials, and I'll leave the ones that I've already done linked down below. So that's the end of this video. If you would like to leave a request, leave them in the comments section below of this video. I've also left some videos here that I think you might like, so go and check those out as well. I also have a course. Visit bitesizepianocourse.co.uk and you can enroll and start learning how to read music. I'll see you in the next video.